Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix error hexadecimal 0x8007003b on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering error hexadecimal 8007003b, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The first solution involves running a system file checker scan. To do this, search for command prompt in your Windows search bar and select Run as administrator. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. The second solution is to perform a check disk scan. Again, open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command chkdisk//r/F and press Enter. You will likely be prompted to schedule the scan for the next restart. Press Y and then Enter to confirm. The system will perform the scan during the next reboot. Next, you can try using disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in your Windows search bar and open the application. Select the drive you wish to clean up, usually your C drive, and click OK. In the disk cleanup window, check the boxes for the files you want to delete. After making your selections, click OK, and then confirm by clicking Delete Files. The final solution is to perform a system restore. Search for Recovery in your Windows search bar and open the recovery settings. Click on Open System Restore. If prompted, click Next. You can choose to select a restore point, automatically suggested, or choose a different restore point for more options. Click Next to proceed, and then select your preferred restore point from the list. Finally, click Next, and then Finish to begin the system restore process. This will revert your computer's system files and settings to an earlier state, which may resolve the error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.